What's the meaning of cornice? Cornice. Cornice.
Cornice. Cornice. A cornice is an architectural feature that crowns the top of a building or wall, typically serving as a decorative element while also providing a functional purpose of directing rainwater away from the structure. Cornices can vary in size and complexity, ranging from simple, minimalistic designs to elaborate, ornate details. They may be made of various materials, including wood, metal, or stone, depending on the style and purpose of the building. Overall, the cornice adds a finishing touch to a structure while also serving a practical function.